Hi guys, so my name is Alexis McDavid and I'm the Education and Outreach Officer here at National Museum Jamaica, located in downtown Kingston, a UNESCO Creative City. Now, why do you need to come downtown? By the way, why should I even have to say why? It's downtown. Downtown is the center, the epicenter of Jamaica. I know people might disagree with that, but...
No, I agree.
Right? We have art, we have culture, this is trade, this is history. We have the historic port of Port Royal. We have Victoria Pier, where if anyone knows anything about Windrush, was a very integral part of that story. We have the craft market, we have, guys, everything is downtown. And of course we have the Institute of Jamaica, which has been around since 1889. So it's been a long time. And the National Museum of Jamaica is one of the divisions.